All right, my friends, I'm going to show you on NFL Fantasy how to manage. Go to Manage, click on Manage. This is how to edit the playoff teams, because like, here, I'll show you what happens. So in my league, we got divisions, and if you go to the standings, you'll see these two guys should be playing each other with this guy having a bye, and in the other division, this guy should have a bye and these two teams should be playing each other. But if you go to playoffs, that's not what's here. You got one guy with a bye and these two are not the right people playing each other, and these two are not the right. So how do you switch that? Go up to Manage, go down to Edit Playoff Teams, right here. Click on that, and then I can put in whoever I want here. So that's a bye. This should be Hoagie, and then this one, this guy should be playing the Alligators, and this guy has a bye. So that's right. So once you have that set up, then you go to Submit. Now that should do it. So now when I go back to League and check out the teams, those should be the settings. That should be right. Okay, this helped you. Smash like. I'm gonna double check this real quick. Go to up top to standings. Yep, that's right. Okay, so have a good one. Smash like if this helped you. If you have any questions, let me know. Sorry, I'm doing this on my phone, so I know it's not the most perfect way to do it, but I'm at work, so hopefully I'm getting paid to do this. Don't tell my boss. Take care.